Tatari Nazu Delia, Chidane Tari Mixegi, Dinaya, the Munachina Hagarwa, in a Mixegi Tari, and Viveki, Rishuki, Chapjeta, and Kuje Kanga, Delia, Tommy Tari Dembena, where Dumzedi, and Tari Chinda Dubati, and Garanzo, Chizoma, Kutila Kabuchenki, and Frank Chizonania, came to Shuje, did our day. Heritage month, Sunaro Nas, Chechamara, Yashula, Putla Kabuchi, and they are to so Komeki, the Chani Tamloki, Cherunium Deki, and Ibet, Pombutameki, Program Yabunache, the Bass Chevra, Chuzona, Nage Yashu, and the Bass Chefs. And they did the Kamala, Luxus Sambuti, and the Bass Chele, and it's Karsore, Marasamolo, Kawagomgo Edge, and it's Dane, Tenda Chimbushu. Having a bus child, so Gaurmucha Tujikatinta, and Ganazo Missing Mandachi, but the Anisane Sato de Legoki, Pombo Kome, Komakangeki, Hayakota, and Pudilale, Shudebuta, and Frankie, the Nabate, want to touch us, Shubu, and the Teddy, Tagata Tuni, and that the Heritage Mandelia, and the month, yes, love it to go. To change the Sunzi Machina, and they made the Masone. Kala long jadi sange mindu sesor je chayo dile ani thari pemel henzo ke laga de budi shu namgyore ani khazi thule yasudi shoke ani thanda lockdown chusa sinza budi chidin sobe ke choksu ki ani dina pe ani thedone ani budi la mixe puzap shuche ani dile cheche namre ani dine chidu sumbane pemel henzo ke thule yasu namre ta thari de pemel henzo ke Heritage month that and Puti sugar, they are and a neighborhood ke, Nema Samuel Siga Pigdo, and a pay up to Tuchena, Makugam Nab the Kadiche, and Gaur with the Chilu Temper show, Shea, Mima, and it shows of the Chiti Yupata, and another tender day, Pechive tender day, Johnny New the Seventation Monday, tasted.
Zamni shide temple hami namre chino konsa chamgon jawa thamje chinji sikba chembu kunten chushi jezun jambe ngawa losa eshe tenzi jaso sisung wang jupe debe sangbo chok.
de chino khongse kyang ku chubo la kuchang do ta beto dika ngana zo kundu zo onchi yonga de chozo thumi ka ku che butila de da se pe ngana zo gandhi chanti gi gisla namba andine ngazo chokpa khagi choktu namba da dine ngazo chokpa khagi mixi gi thanda ngazo gyashe chokpa da Shembachi Sopaga Ngari Kidu Kuna Samagi Nyamshu Navajala Manzugi 되게 수진도 나와도 그냥 순나 창만랑 어디게 산에 표면에 줬다 주식은 두기 착수시 창만라 참디 쉬이 엔투지 쉬이
데링데 Zoom 미망 참아가 아니 페이스북 다 온라인에 시기에 창만론가 맞듯이 쉬이 아니 드릭들기 릭슈 채널 다와기 순시 제고디다 우진남네가 아니 드릭기 묵세 제고기 드리나리도 산에 주면은죠 아니 산에 주식은도 특히 다고 주시시나요 또 참말로 얘기 믹스에 가르쳐야 있으나 만족이 다른 배송에 믹스에 진짜 두바디 대를 슈치노 나와 이 수액 동시디 오늘 장면 만족 릭슈 가장 축구 이용하다 만족 릭슈 만족과 호케어의 이 시츄에이션인가 이 만족 하고 이어래 만수가 결국에 뭐지 가두이네 걸럭남기요래 아니 믹스에 만수가 토론토 온타리오 남로라 대화 주니에서 상마 딱 아주 랭게 차두기요 만수기 벽이 리쇼기 가두이네 가진사 중국인마다 이 닭고기기 랭게 차기요래 근데 이 믹스에 대시웨이 I just want to say Tashi Dalek to everyone who is gathered here today to celebrate Tibetan Heritage Month and specifically today's cultural show. I would like to thank the Tibetan Women's Association of Ontario and Dokam Chushi Gando for organizing and leading this event. Tibetan Heritage Month has one sole purpose, and that is to protect, promote, and preserve our culture, our way of life. And for us as Tibetans, we know how rich our culture is. It is something for us to be very proud of. We should have a lot of pride in our heritage. And so specifically, or especially all of us Tibetans in Toronto, Ontario, Canada, we have a responsibility to do whatever we can, just as His Holiness has always told us. We have to work to promote and preserve our culture. And that's our responsibility here. And so pay na po na po mongo pichasha na tring de kengo libuche ki kubar shadu dona pay na mo sha chogi yo ma shana koso sok ne ga yongere hangi mango yongere aso te 근데 freely 제통이야. 근데 토탕 여기 만족이 되죠. 딱고 약도 오네. 아주 베이비 버전 이제 상만 먼저 가고 약도 이 드링 상만 때문에 토진랑 And I just want to end by saying I am so proud to be Tibetan. And I hope that we can showcase our heritage every year from now on to not just in Parkdale, but to people across Ontario and even Canada. Thank you.
Madelia, Razo, Temiyogi Laname Beuti, Zamling Shide Debe, Se Dijini Gikamne, Wangbo Chegi Gabo, Chino Gonsa Gamgo Chimbo, Yawakundi Chushivacholia, Kuja, Modutane, and Tari Delia, Ganzu, Sane Pimilenzo Re, Dalashingi, Sane, Dogam Chushikando, Sobonigi, and Uti Betone, Tawadi Ganzugi, Turgi, Rikshum Chenorgi, Dawas Cheje, and to step Chungure, Dida, Teva, Gita Tari de, Manzu Rikshum, Tegi, and Legu Pegore, Digi Yamudela Yangi, and Kame Gendu number. Talanshigi, and Ranzo, Tuzo Tumigi, Tuzo Tumi, not a Tuzo Tumi, Butila Kerbuche, Talanshigi, Dela, Topada, Kidopagi, Tofa, the Gimle number, Ranzo, Upemi Dixugi, and Leje Surba number, Talanshigi, Delia, Mima, Mangushida Pesha. Mixegi Shunge Mangushadu, Samalaya, Canada on TV, Pirichiden, Sopata, Conjun Chendeling, Nigene, Subshiche, Gulet Sameg Subshiche, Intamonet Samdi, Testeleshi. Paleyeto, King of Red, Tangeshida Shu, Goeski, Yomane Talo, Dani Chinda, Guvegi, Guvanalia. Sane de Nade Ontario Nala Tuzo Nalia, Nazu Tinja, Yada Suntu Soji, Tebe Chumbre, Indian Al Shiva, Tibetan Heritage Month Cheche, Rikshum Chinor Gitawas Cheche, Licheza, Dilia, Lingezo, Nanzu Delia, Gerab Laguna La Manchumba Jire, Licheza Mixegi, Budilalia, the Ditolaya, Puleshi, Kimbre. 이 대표님과 탑시 제 투지 주의 야부 돕송 나리아 나라조기 팀모마인데 기초에 릭슈레 진호 공사 겸도 전부도 투지가 띵기 당한저 단다도 야부 쉬우지 내대 그 생마 참에기 캔세레 This is a Delia, Tinja, the Lady, Timber, Shundu, Chige Lombalia, Naranzo, the Tate, Timi Yeva to Mire Moregi, the Topa Chibuji Maiba, Tande Charlie, and the Topa, Chinde Maiba, the Topa Mayo, Alanashingi, and the two, to the Canada to do Topa chasing and so those songs you yor, Alanashingi, the Delia, and the Chuzo Kayo, and the Timio, Chiakido Kayo, the Tame. Nyamrutone Nanzugi, Lugu, Nidon Hagi, Nanzugi Lugu, into Chasachi Nanzugi, Himalaya, Chick Modushu, Mixegi, Naranza, the Chick Himalaya, Modushu, the Premise Education Brescia, Naranza Shungetolia, Modushu Education Brescia, Tari Shoge, Penachasha, Naranzo, Tokofishi, Sugar to Shuvinare, Tokofishi Shuvinare. Habzeg de Tanju Chendeling, the Shoge, Slolia, Sansu Bodishu, Sansu and a Carres Cheche. Hanashi, the Chego to Jen and a Carres Cheche, and so Modeche with the Penisi Gation Brisha. Nay, and that looked at town when I looked at town away in Zekarim. But into some around to give sure one. And so Naranzo, Shingezolia, Modeche, and Maobalaya, the Tango Parim Guiame. Shimiriki came by enough. They may say, Tendo Chibu Yores in the shoe. This is a Tamegi Genki Betone, Tatalen and Zoo, Niam Genki because the holiday Chica, Nanzu, Legu Pace, Shoya Marina, Maomalaya, Tanzuneta, the Yargeture, which is a Tamaloya, near Begurai, and the Yamshur Nach, Dawachi Chazaji, and the Mama Legu Peg in the Roshi.
Chukila has been teaching me, so I'm going to try a few more phrases. Sangmabu, Kiringchung, Chizim, Dawala, Tashile. I wanted to say Happy Tibetan Heritage Month, so I'm wearing in honor of my Tibetan Wuchu, gifted to me by Acha Funsuk Dolmala, and also my Tibetan mask. But I wanted to, in all seriousness, wish all of you a very happy Tibetan Heritage Month and give thanks and credit to Butila Karpoche for having this declared Tibetan Heritage Month at the provincial level, which is a great accomplishment. And I know it is also the day that we are celebrating the Buddha's turning of the first wheel of Dharma on the Four Noble Truths. So I would also say Happy Chokur Duche. I would say it's very good to see all of you in person. It has been a very long lockdown, and it is very nice to be seeing you. So many of you, hello. I see former interns from Parliament Hill in the audience. It is really amazing to see the community out in such large numbers. And indeed, because I'm your Jola Arif, I've come here to celebrate with you, because it is very important to do so. Last Wednesday, I saw some of you at Loga's Corner, and I know that the folks at Loga's Corner have been doing a free Momo giveaway for some time, for a few years now. But I wanted to give a special thank you to Logala and Geshe Jampala of Jewel Dharma Center for their partnership this year, because through their generous effort, yes, applause. Through their generous effort, it is one thing to feed people in Parkdale, which is always important, and to give them a taste of Tibetan cuisine, but more importantly is they also get a sense of what the Tibetan Canadian community is about. They get a sense of His Holiness the Dalai Lama in celebrating his 86th birthday, and they also get a sense of the struggles for continuous linguistic, cultural, and religious freedoms for Tibetans all over the planet, which is part of the mission of His Holiness and part of the mission of the community. I wanted to say thank you also to many of the people, including those who have organized here today. To the Tibetan Women's Association of Ontario, Chushi Gandruk, for bringing today's event together to showcase this rich cultural heritage and many beautiful cultural costumes. Tibetans are such an integral part of Parkdale and an integral part of Toronto, and we see that more and more with each passing day and each passing year. From the language services, the settlement services, the seniors programs, the youth programs, the environmental programs, Tibetans are very active in the community, and I'm proud to represent such a vibrant and strong community in so many of these areas. There are many organizations, so many it's hard to name all of them, but I want to thank TCCC. So I saw Wang Yanla behind me a moment ago. I want to thank TWA, SFT, RTYC, Chushi Gandruk, and the Canada Tibet Committee. And I hear you have many kiduks and smaller groups and associations formed that are keeping the community together to celebrate and uphold the heritage and keep the struggle alive. I'm so happy to see the future of the Tibetan Canadian movement and the struggle carried on by the younger generation, which I've visited so many times in some of the language and training courses. So again, I want to say thank you for having me, thank you for treating me as one of your own, for calling me your Jola Arif. I will live up to that moniker that the former Sikhyong gave me, continue to work with the current Sikhyong and the Central Tibetan Administration to advocate for the cause of Tibet, the message of His Holiness, and linguistic, cultural, and religious freedoms for all Tibetans everywhere. Thank you so much. Tuji Che, Garin Che.
Samala, Samjitash Tele, Shwada, Chachi, Ane, Tale, Modini, Kawa Kaji, Jondi Hage, Zamli Gede Yungi Maza, Dawa Yungi Mati, Zashichima, Kosa Hami Namte, Kumjin Chishipa, Chola, Kadin Jedin Shue Lodan, Hade Dawa Dingi, Chunga Dawa Yinzan, Gembu Kanila, Canada Sanya Dokam Chushigantudan, Peme Henzo Niki, Sabshune, Lani Pemo Nikarchane, Kadinche Shuada, Kui Tungala, Tashi Dele Shui, Tene, Ade Chino Dibadini, Shirin Pemi Yonda, Laden do Canada Perizola, Tize Mixe Watch, Chade Badela, Dea, Peggy Mebo Tambasi, Logi Lechue, Peggy Chenoram, Rishundini, Mixe Tarbeta, Keji Chelo Tonchi, Canada, Shundigi Meshetube, Dawashi Vela, Dawa Dindashi Yon, Tubalte, Dea, Ade Chezo Timi, Putila Karuche, Temiri La Chambe, Lajada, Simshu Lechuashi Yinza, Dine, Sane Pemi Yong Sapchene, Putilala, Toshichu. Dawa Dinashi Yongwa, Samye, November, Dini Sunzi Shune, Lengu Name, Begavate, Hajan Kitchenbure, Dinde Lengu Nama, Bewala, Soviet Nitida, Tela Mima Yamshu Chena Mato, Yonda Mesa, Shunji Mibe Soba, Kadan, Teshin Sane Mima Yonla, Nyamshu Chiva de la Toshichi Shue. Mixe, Tari Canada Sane Dokam Chushi Kanduda, Tegi Peme Hezoni, Nyamdegi Goti Chebe, Zego Dero, Chedu Chane, Tugurdan Jabjur Nangi, Tegi Chirela, Chaji, Lame Chebe, Kuri, Chezo Hagi, Unzina, Lama Namba, Teganashi, Ade Chezo Timi, Member of Parliament, Mr. Arif Gurani, Putila Sani Chezogi, Timi, Putila Karbuchi, Kanchan Chendeling, Soso, Siri Wangela, Sebe, Punjan Nambare, Teganashi, Zego Garso, Shomdela Pekin, Cheson Pono Missing So, Zochene, Zego Dinila, Nachi Persondo, Chale Nangenda, Nyamchu Chegen Samala, Tojiche Shugi, Samala Tojiche, Tegelo, Tegi Rishu Gelo.
Mimanangin Sama. Zongo Dojima de Utu Nangide, Ani, Tashi Fit, Antia, Shabro Corset, and a village in Shurona, Shui.
Yo Kami